When it comes to trucks, the engine is the heart of the beast. It powers every haul, climb, and long highway journey. But not all engines are built to last. Some have proven themselves as absolute legends, clocking hundreds of thousands, even millions of miles without skipping a beat. Did you know that some truck engines are so reliable that they've earned nicknames like million-mile marvels? That's exactly the type of durability we're talking about today. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or just seeking a reliable ride, this list of 13 truck engines that last forever will amaze you. From rugged diesels to iconic V8s, these engines have stood the test of time. And here's why you need to stick around. It's not just about naming engines. I'll reveal what makes these engines nearly indestructible, why they've outlived the competition, and one surprise contender you'd never expect to see on this list. Ready to dive in? Let's start with a classic that redefined reliability. Starting at number 13, we have the Chevrolet Small Block V8. This is the oldest engine on our list. It debuted in 1955. Over the decades, it became a symbol of reliability. It was produced until 2003, making it nearly 50 years old. Why is it on this list? Because it lasts. Its simple, yet effective design made it tough. It could handle daily driving and high-performance demands. Displacements ranged from 265 cubic inches to 400 cubic inches. The 350 is the most famous version. It offered up to 370 horsepower in some models. This engine was also lightweight. It featured efficient combustion chambers. Its architecture influenced modern GM engines. Variants like the LT1 showed impressive power. Others, like the L82, focused on fuel economy. The small block became a favorite for restorations and custom builds. Mechanics loved how easy it was to repair. It is a legend in the automotive world. Over 90 million were built by 2004. That's why it's here. Age hasn't diminished its reputation. It's a classic that proves great design never gets old. Number 12 is the Ford 300 Inline 6. It powered the F-Series trucks, including the F100, F150, F250, F350, and early Ford Broncos too. Why is it loved? It's low-end torque. It delivered power at low RPMs, starting at 1,600 RPM. It could tow and haul like a champ. In 1965 to 1972 models, torque peaked at 283 pound-feet. Horsepower ranged from 101 in early models to 150 by the 1990s. The engine featured a cast iron block and head. It had a bore of 4.00 inches and a stroke of 3.98 inches. Its overhead valve OHV design was simple and reliable. Compression ratios varied from 8.9 to 1 to 8.0 to 1. Fuel injection was added in 1987. This improved performance and efficiency. Owners often reported over 500,000 miles without major repairs. Its longevity made it a favorite for heavy-duty jobs. It stayed in production for over 30 years from 1964 to 1996. At number 11, we find the Toyota 22R Inline 4. Produced from 1981 to 1997, it powered iconic vehicles like the Toyota Hilux, 4Runner, and Toyota Standard Pickup. Known for its simple yet robust design, the 22R could last 300,000 to 400,000 miles with basic maintenance. Some even reached 500,000 miles or more, a testament to its over-engineered components. The engine features a cast iron block and aluminum cylinder head, offering a solid foundation. Its long-stroke design delivers excellent low-end torque, ideal for trucks. While its power output, about 100 to 113 horsepower, was modest, its fuel efficiency and reliability more than made up for it. Enthusiasts praise its longevity with plenty of aftermarket support still available. The engine's reputation for outlasting its vehicles has kept it popular in used markets. The 22R is celebrated as one of Toyota's finest, a workhorse engine perfect for demanding tasks. In the 10th spot, we have the Chevrolet 4.3-liter Vortec 5.6. Introduced in the mid-80s, it quickly became a staple in vehicles like the Chevrolet S10, Silverado, and the GMC equivalents. The 4.3-liter V6 is based on the Chevrolet small block V8, but with 2 cylinders removed, making it a compact powerhouse. It shares many features with the V8, such as the bore diameter and valve train elements, which helped it deliver solid performance. Over the years, the 4.3-liter Vortec underwent significant upgrades. By the 1990s, it featured central port injection, increasing its power output to around 200 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. A turbocharged version in the GMC Cyclone and Typhoon produced up to 280 horsepower. The engine is known to often last 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. Although it was replaced in 2014 by GM's Gen V Ecotec 3 engines, the 4.3-liter Vortec remains a beloved choice in the truck community for its performance, longevity, and versatility. Number 9 is the Toyota 3VZ V6. Produced from 1988 to 1997, this engine earned a reputation as a durable and dependable workhorse for truck. It powered vehicles like the Toyota pickup, also called Hilux in some regions, and the first-generation Toyota 4Runner. This engine had 2 key variants, the 3VZE and the 3VZFE. The 3VZE featured a single overhead camshaft SOHC design with 12 valves, while the 3VZFE had a dual overhead camshaft DOHC layout and 24 valves. The DOHC design in the 3VZFE improved airflow for better performance. Both variants used a cast iron block for durability and aluminum heads to reduce weight. Power output ranged from 150 to 190 horsepower. The torque was between 180 and 200 pound-feet. This made the engine great for towing and off-road driving. Its multi-point injection MPI system ensured precise fuel delivery. The 9.0 to 1 compression ratio balanced power and efficiency. With proper maintenance, this engine often lasts 190,000 to 220,000 miles. Coming at number 8 is the Ford Powerstroke 7.3-liter V8. Built from 1994 to 2003, it powered the Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks, becoming a hallmark of Ford's diesel lineup. Known for its strength and simplicity, it is often referred to as the million-mile motor. This engine delivers up to 275 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque, making it ideal for towing heavy loads and hauling. It features a cast-iron block and heads with forged steel connecting rods that add to its toughness. The 7.3-liter also uses direct fuel injection, enhancing performance and reliability. With fewer electronics than modern engines, it's less prone to failure. That's why Ford built over 2 million of these engines. The 7.3-liter Powerstroke's reputation for longevity has made it a favorite among truck enthusiasts. It's often found in trucks with over 500,000 miles still going strong. Ford replaced it with the 6.0-liter Powerstroke in 2003, but the 7.3-liter's legacy remains. It's still regarded as one of the best diesel engines for trucks. If you want to know more about other diesel engines that last long, click the link above for diesel truck engines that last forever. At number 7 is the Dodge 5.9-liter V8 Magnum. The Dodge 5.9-liter V8 Magnum, produced from 1993 to 2003, is known for its power and reliability. It powered trucks like the Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. It delivers up to 245 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque. That's perfect for hauling and towing heavy loads. The 5.9-liter V8 features a cast iron block and aluminum heads, offering strength while keeping the weight reasonable. The Magnum V8 is well known for its longevity. With regular maintenance, it can easily surpass 300,000 miles. Many owners report running their trucks for years with minimal issues. After 2003, Dodge replaced the Magnum engine with newer models. However, the 5.9-liter V8 Magnum still has a strong following. Taking the sixth spot is the Toyota 2 UZF-E 4.7-liter engine. Introduced in 1998 and was part of Toyota's UZ engine family. It has an iron block and aluminum DOHC cylinder heads, ensuring strength while keeping weight manageable. The 2 UZF-E uses a single camshaft for each bank of cylinders, which reduces friction and enhances performance. With a bore of 94 millimeters and a stroke of 84 millimeters, the 2 UZF-E delivers between 230 to 235 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. The VVTi variant, found in some applications, produces up to 271 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 315 pound-feet of torque at 3,400 RPM. It's paired with either a 4-speed or 5-speed automatic transmission, depending on the vehicle. The engine was used in several Toyota vehicles, including the first-generation Tundra. Owners report that it can easily surpass 300,000 miles, and many have seen over 400,000 miles with no major issues. Number 5 is the Nissan VQ40 DEV6. We've now entered the 2000s era with the Nissan VQ40 DEV6 engine, produced from 2005 to 2012. It's a 60-degree V6 with a 4.0-liter displacement, designed for trucks and SUVs like the Nissan Frontier. This engine offers a great balance of power and compactness. Key specs include a 95.5mm bore, an 81.4mm stroke, and a 9.8:1 compression ratio. These features help the engine produce 265 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 281 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. The VQ40DE has a strong iron block with aluminum DOHC cylinder heads. This setup balances durability and weight, contributing to its reliability. The engine also features variable valve timing, VVT, optimizing power and fuel efficiency. Brian Murphy, a Chicagoland delivery driver, set a goal in 2007 to put 1 million miles on his Nissan Frontier pickup truck. With this engine's reliability, he achieved that impressive milestone, showing just how durable the VQ40DE can be. At number 4, we have the Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel. This is another powerful diesel engine, and you'll notice that the rest of the engines are diesel. Why do you think that's so? Let me know in the comments. My reasoning is simple. Diesel engines are more durable than gasoline engines. They have stronger construction, higher torque, and better fuel efficiency. These qualities make them ideal for trucks. Now, let's talk about the Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel. Produced from 2007 to 2021, this engine has been a mainstay in trucks like the Ram 2500 and 3500. It delivers impressive power, with up to 385 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque, depending on the model. Its design includes a strong iron block, a forged steel crankshaft, and a turbocharger, making it incredibly durable. The Cummins 6.7-liter is known for its high towing capacity and excellent reliability. This engine is built to last, with many owners reporting it lasting over 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. It's a perfect example of why diesel engines continue to be a favorite for truck owners. Number 3 is the 6.6-liter LBZ Duramax V8 diesel engine. Built from 2006 to 2007, it quickly earned a reputation for being one of the most respected diesel engines available. A standout example of its reliability is the story of Hugh and Tammy Pennington. They drove their Chevrolet Silverado, powered by the LBZ engine, for an impressive 1.2 million miles over 7 years, proving the engine's incredible durability and performance under long-term stress. With 360 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, the LBZ had the power to tow heavy loads and handle the toughest tasks. It features an aluminum alloy block, making it lighter without sacrificing strength. The turbocharger and advanced fuel injection system enhanced both power and efficiency. Even though it was produced for only 2 years, the LBZ remains highly sought after. Its proven strength and longevity continue to make it one of the most durable engines ever made. At number 2, we have the 6.6-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel V8 engine. Produced from 2011 to 2016, this 6.6-liter V8 turbo diesel is renowned for its power and reliability. This engine delivers up to 397 horsepower and 765 pound-feet of torque. It's built to handle tough jobs and has become a staple in heavy-duty trucks like the GMC Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD. Its robust construction includes an iron block, aluminum heads, and a Borg-Warner turbocharger. These features help it endure high stress while maintaining great performance. The Duramax 6.6-liter is well regarded for its longevity. With proper maintenance, it can last over 300,000 miles. Taking the first spot is the 6.7-liter Powerstroke 5.8 turbo diesel. Produced from 2011 to the present, this engine is renowned for its exceptional durability. It powers Ford's Super Duty trucks, including the F650 and F750 models. With 475 horsepower and up to 1,050 pound-feet of torque in newer versions, this engine is built for tough tasks. The 6.7-liter Powerstroke has a compacted graphite iron block and a larger turbocharger, making it strong and efficient. The high-pressure common rail fuel system boosts power delivery and fuel efficiency. This engine is designed to run on a mix of up to 20% biodiesel and 80% petroleum diesel. Owners report reaching 500,000 miles with proper care. These truck engines that last forever prove that durability and reliability are key to long-term performance. Subscribe and click the link below to watch Least Reliable Trucks That Won't Hit 40,000 Miles for more insights.